Okay, we're going to start off. We're going to need a template, or you can even draw one of these on your own. I do have a template for you so that we can get started. You will need a set of oil pastels and a pair of scissors. Now, as far as the oil pastels, you'll also need a pencil. Now, first things first, on a candy cane, they're usually broke up into sections. So I'm going to section these off. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to do a curved line. Why is it curved? Because the shape of a candy cane is round all around the barrel of it. Okay, I'm going to do that all the way around the candy cane so that I will have separate sections. Now it's important to do these sections and you'll find out soon why. Alright, once I've got all the way around with my curved line, I'm going to then go back to my oil pastels and I'm going to pull out the white. Now with the white, this is the only time you're going to do an up and down stroke, but it's just one solid stroke. Starts at the top, goes all the way around the candy cane. Now again, this is the only time you're going to go that way around the candy cane is with that first guideline. Once I've got that, I'm going to go back around and I'm going to widen that line by going left and right, not up and down, left and right. And I'm doing just individual strokes. Stroke all the way around on the candy cane, thickening that white line. It's hard to see here on the video, but I'm going to speed this up because you're going to do this on your own, and you can always pause the video or go back. Alright, once I've got that, I'm going to go back to my colors, and I'm going to look to see, what do I have two colors of that I have a lighter and a darker? Okay, I do have different yellows, I have pinks, I have browns, but I do like these blues. I'm going to start off with blues. I'm going to pull out the light one and the dark one. So, you've got your light one and your dark one now. You're going to go with the light one first. Now you're going to go all around again. You're going to start on one edge about the middle of the white and you're going to pull down with that lighter blue. Again, you are touching the white and you're pulling down into the other part. So you're getting some of the white and you're also going to where there wasn't white before as well. You're going to do that all up and down on the side. And then you're going to do it again on each side. So I'm going to go on about middle of the other half so that we have some white left to show the reflection. And I'm going to do that all around on there. Now, I'm not going to do it in the next one. I'm going to skip one. And this is important that you're going to skip one each time as you're going around. So go all the way around and we're going to speed this up here. You're going to do it on every other one all the way around. Alright, once you've gone all the way around, you're going to take your darker one. Again, you're going to go into that light blue this time, not the white, but the light blue. And you're going to pull down off to the edge of the candy cane on both sides. Now here you notice I did go outside the lines. That is perfectly fine in this project. Remember we had those scissors? That's why it's going to be fine for us to go outside those lines. Now you're going to do that on both sides, just like you did the white with the lighter blue with the darker blue. You're going to do that all the way around on each of those sections. Once you've gone all the way around with your darker color, you're going to go back to your pastels and find another one. Another set that has a lighter and a darker. Now, as you know, yellow is my personal favorite color, so I've got a darker yellow and a bright yellow. I'm going to pull those two out next. And I'm going to go back around and do essentially the same thing on those other sections. I'm going to, if you remember, do the light. I'm going to go up about middle of the white, pull down. I'm going to do that on both sides. And again, I'm going to do that all the way around my candy cane. Okay, once again, once I've got all of my light, I'm going to go back around with the darker color, pulling down from the lighter color. And remember, I'm going to make sure I go a little bit past if I need to, because again, I'm going to be cutting this out. So going outside the lines on this particular project is not going to matter at all. In fact, it might help you get a better line going all the way to the edge. All right, now you're going to need your lucky scissors. What you're going to do now is you're going to cut the candy cane out. You've got your lines there, you can see where they're at. We're going to cut it all the way out. Okay, once you've got your candy cane cut out, there's a variety of things you can do. You can hang it on a tree, you can hang it on the fridge, you can hang it on the wall, or you can get a piece of paper and you can put it on the paper. Now, one of the things that I really love about putting it on the paper is it really pops. It really stands out. Now, I'm going to do another one for you really quick with some different colors. I'm not going to go through it all slowly with you. We've done this one more slow. Remember, you can always pause or go back. If you remember the steps, take your pencil. You're going to go and draw your lines. You're going to break it into sections. They don't have to be in the same spot, and you can make as many sections as you want. I would be a little careful and not do them too close together, because then you'd have to have too many colors. Remember, draw the one straight line with the white, and then you're going to double the size of that by drawing left and right all the way around that candy cane once again. Okay, for this one, I'm going to do a couple different colors. People have been popular or have really liked those Oreo candy canes. So I'm going to do a black section. Now, lighter color than black is obviously gray. So I'm going to choose my gray first. I'm going to do that on every other section. This is going to be a dual flavor one. So it's going to be a black one. What color should I use for the other part? Now, if you remember, my dark color I said was going to be black, so the light color was gray on this one. Again, you can do whatever colors you want. Just make sure you have a lighter and a darker color so that it works. Alright, once you got your darker part done, it's time to go back over and do the other section. I'm going to do pink and black this time. My favorite wrestler was the Pink and Black Attack. This is the Pink and Black Attack candy cane. Okay, once I've got all my colors done, again, gonna get out those scissors. I'm gonna cut it out all the way around. Again, those lines where I went over don't matter anymore. Just a happy little accident. Gonna go all the way around, cut them out. Now that I've got two of them, I can take that paper, I can put them together, and if I did two opposite ones, I now have a heart. All right, good luck, have fun with this project, and maybe send me a picture, let me see what you created. Have fun.